Hey, little guy, what are you doing out here in the cold?
Back off, man! That is a merchandise, not swipe property!
You are not selling this bird to anyone! Hey, give that back!
Hold on, buddy! I will not let him get you!
Come out! You cannot steal my thing!
It is okay, little one. You are safe now.
Let us get you far away from that alley.
Over here, officer! The smuggler's still in the alley!
You are under arrest for illegal wildlife trafficking.
If you love animals like I do, please like and subscribe.